This video will show you how to use your GPU for machine learning. First, install Anaconda Navigator. Next, you will create a virtual environment for your Python project. A virtual environment is like a self-contained custom directory for your Python IDE. Name it whatever you want and select Python version 3.6. I've created a working version of the virtual environment with the necessary packages for using your GPU for machine learning. Here's how to create one from scratch. The Keras, Tensorflow, and Tensor GPU libraries need to be installed within your Python directory. Check what is not installed and select Keras, Tensorflow, and Tensorflow GPU to install the required packages. This will show you all the packages and sub-packages that will be installed. Now install Jupyter Lab in this custom virtual environment. Both Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook will be installed. Both are Python integrated development environments for writing and testing your code. I personally like Jupyter Lab because of the quality of life features, such as using the mouse to rearrange functions and the displaying of all file systems and directories for your project. It's very well integrated for data visualization, which helps make for a more dynamic programming experience. Launch Jupyter Lab. Your browser will open up the Jupyter Lab session. Run the test script to check if the GPU is being detected by Python. Number of GPUs reads as 1. You can now use your GPU to train your machine learning models. I hope this video was helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe.